What is happening, guys? Daniel here from How to Make a Website, and if you're thinking of starting your own website or blog today, do not get started until you've watched these 10 tips and tricks that I use every single day for my clients that you can now use to make your website an absolute success and the envy of your competition. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, my name is Daniel and I'm the lead developer and co-founder of a successful creative agency based in Australia with over 300 clients. Alright, so just before we get started, if you're someone who already has a website, I'm going to give 3 professional tips for the first 20 people who comment below this video with their website. Tip number 1, hosting with Bluehost. Alright guys, so if you've watched any other videos about WordPress on YouTube, you've probably been recommended to either HostGator or Bluehost. It is important to ask why that is. Did you know that only one of these hosting providers is actually recommended by the official WordPress website? That's right, Bluehost have been recommended for its performance and user-friendly interface time and time again, but not HostGator. I find this kind of weird, but that's the way it is. Features like one-click WordPress installs, free domain name SSL certificates, and lightning speed servers, which makes it an obvious choice for WordPress users. Feel free to check out the exclusive discount in the link below. Tip number 2, theme FORREST. When it comes to building a WordPress website, you will find that once you install it, there are some free themes, but they're very limited and often don't look very nice. Theme FORREST has over 50,000 WordPress themes designed for all types of services, whether it's a landing page, restaurant, dentist, you name it, they have a theme for you. Once you have purchased the theme, you can simply install it by uploading it under the Appearance Themes tab in WordPress. Once you have uploaded the theme, you can one-click install the demo content on most of these themes. So all that you need to do is change some text and images with the brand and your new website will look $5,000. Tip number 3, WP Rocket. WP Rocket is probably my favorite plugin for WordPress right now. It doesn't sound like much, but it will speed up your website by about 80% and sometimes 90 to 100%. That's insane. One thing Google looks for when ranking your website on Google is speed. And if you have slow speed on your website, your customers are going to leave and you won't get as many sales. Once you have purchased this plugin, you will receive a download and just simply upload it and click to install through your WordPress website. Here is a screenshot of the recommended settings I use. This plugin is definitely worth the $59 that it costs. Feel free to check out the link in the description for more information. Tip 4, SEO Yoast. SEO Yoast is essential for managing the success of your ranking on Google. There are a few others out there that do a similar thing, but I feel that SEO Yoast provides the best interface, making it very easy for beginners to use. This plugin is free and searchable in the WordPress plugin search page. Once you have downloaded it and installed, you'll be prompted what to do next to the setup. It usually takes about 5 minutes. Tip number 5 is the SSL Certificate. I feel this one is kind of overlooked and it makes a huge difference to the safety and success of your website. What is an SSL Certificate? Well, basically it encrypts your website, which basically helps stop hackers access important information on your site like customer data. An SSL Certificate is often known as the green bar and costs around $7 up to $150 for more secure ones. However, if you choose to go with Bluehost as your hosting provider, you will get a free SSL certificate, so that's awesome news. Tip number 6, keywords and optimization. This tip sort of continues from tip 4 about SEO Yoast. I'm going to give you a few ways to find keywords to use on your website to help you rank better in Google. Firstly, you need to find 3 words that explains your product or service you are selling. Once you have that, head over to Google Keyword Planner and enter those keywords in and click Get Started. Google will then give you all the popular keywords being used for your product or service. When it comes to optimization, I mentioned before Google loves speed. So if you installed WP Rocket from tip number 3, you'll probably be well on your way. However, Google also likes optimized images. I see this every single day where a client really likes a photo they found on Shutterstock. They download it, it's about 5 megabytes. They upload it to their website and then complain that the website is loading very slow. Try to keep your website images between 100 kilobytes and 500 kilobytes. I'm going to put a link in the description for a tool that automatically compresses your images for you. Tip number 7, SVG Plugin. Okay, so what is an SVG and why is it important? Okay, so let me ask you the question. Are you using a smartphone that has been made in the last 4 years? If the answer is yes, it means you have a Retina display. Unfortunately, WordPress has not quite caught up to speed with this, so the ability to use SVG images on your website is not available by default. Now, you're probably asking, what's the difference between an SVG image and a regular image? Here it is. Tip number 8, WordFence Plugin. WordFence is for those people that love to be extra cautious. What this plugin does is protect you from people trying to log into your website and steal your files, or give you a virus. This is becoming more and more common for especially large companies. It is all well and good to have an SSL certificate, but if you don't have a system to block the attackers, you will soon lose your website. That being said, this is the worst case scenario and it doesn't happen too often. However, I'd rather be safe than sorry, wouldn't you? This plugin is free to download and is a one-click install. Tip number 9, Elementor plugin. So this is one of the most fun parts of WordPress, I think. If you like to design, or if you want a nice simple interface to do your editing for your WordPress pages, this is what you need. It is free and has a paid version available, which I would highly recommend investing in, and it is just $49 for one site. Tip number 10, use proof, social proof. Alright, so by now, if you have followed these tips, you have an awesome looking website packed full of features for around $100, including hosting. If you got everything, here is the breakdown. So to finish off, I want to talk about Use Proof. Launched at the end of 2016, Use Proof is transforming the world of social proof. So much so that when it comes to conversions on your website, whether that be a product sales or email opt-ins, people are seeing an increase of up to 50%. So how it works is you install the plugin on your website and it will track every single sale and conversion and show it live to new customers as a pop-up at the bottom of the screen like this. What this does is give the potential customer confidence that he or she is not the only one buying your product or service. We have been using Proof for about 6 months now and can honestly say it is worth every cent. Check out the link in the description for a free 14-day trial now. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you have any questions, please leave them below and give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for future releases. I'm going to be doing a lot more about WordPress shortly.